Feel the rhythm of the ocean, one by one. Roots deep in the earth, waves crashing free. This is the sound of the island, the voice of the sea. Yo, we ride the roots, we ride the waves, through the fire, through the rain. From the mountains to the shore, we are one forevermore. Roots and waves. Oh, roots and waves. Yo, I'm rooted in the soil where my ancestors prayed, where the drums of the island keep the spirits awake. From the cane field sweat to the songs of the brave, we carry the culture, let the system decay. They tried to chain the mind, but the soul won't break. We rise like the tide, feel the earth vibrate. From the roots of the mango to the waves of the bay, we're the children of the struggle, hear the music we play. We ride the roots, we ride the waves, through the fire, through the rain. From the mountains to the shore, we are one forevermore. Roots and waves. Oh, roots and waves. Rise up, feel the power in your veins. The rhythm of the island, the heartbeat of change. Rise up, let the fire light the way. We're the children of tomorrow and today's the day. Oh, the ocean speaks, the wind replies, the earth it moves beneath our skies. Oh, the roots are strong, the waves are free. Together we stand in unity. Yo, I see the world through the eyes of my kin. Generations of resilience, the fight from within. They tried to drown the truth, but it floats like a hymn. Now we're sailing on the waves, let the journey begin. From the islands to the cities, we're breaking the chains. No more borders in the mind, no more shackles of pain. We're the voice of the people, the sound of the rain. Like the roots in the earth, we will always remain. We ride the roots, we ride the waves, through the fire, through the rain. From the mountains to the shore, we are one forevermore. Roots and waves. Oh, roots and waves. Roots and waves. We're free, we're free. Roots and waves, just let it. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe, island soul, we're alive.